Thank you for stopping by and welcome to the channel. So today's video will be the return of the Toronto Blue Jays at the Rogers Centre. The last game the Toronto Blue Jays played at the Rogers Centre was September 29th, 2019, which is 670 days ago, which I believe set a major league record for absence by a home team. So right now we're going to do a walking tour of the concession on the 100 level, which is the field level. Currently there is only limited seating to the games, and they're only using the 100 and 200 level. So there won't be no seating available for the upper deck or 500 level. Just to let people know, in the whole stadium they are not accepting cash, only debit or credit card. So if you come to the stadium and you only have cash, they have a reverse ATM machine which will issue you a prepaid credit card which you can use inside the stadium or out. You'll notice most of the people are still wearing their masks because in the province of Ontario we are still required to wear them indoors. But hopefully soon things will go back to normal and we won't have to wear them. So this is how it was on opening day for the Toronto Blue Jays back at the Rogers Centre.
Sorry.
We're sort of in this line. Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Action, so good to see you all. Glad to be back.
Is where they do the live broadcast on TV in left field. Upper deck or 500 level, you'll notice that they're cardboard cutouts of pictures of people. So if you've never been to the Rogers Centre before, on the 100 level you can walk right around the whole stadium. Up on my left is the Jay Shop, which is the official Toronto Blue Jays souvenir store. And they are limiting the amount of people that are allowed in the store at one time. As you can see, the lineup is quite long. So if you plan on buying a souvenir, I would recommend coming to the game early and heading for the Jay Shop right away. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, share, leave a comment. Hope to see you at our next video.